Welcome to HelloNote EMR's tutorial. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore our latest update. Today, we'll be diving into the new Add Event option that has been added to all of our Actions buttons. Let's begin. First, click on the Patients tab located on the left side navigation bar. Once you're redirected to the Patients page, you can select a patient by typing their name. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will choose our demo patient. Once a patient is selected from the list, you will be able to view their information that is stored in our system. Now, let's take a look at the first Actions button, which is located on the Insurance page. Click on the Insurance tab. Once the page is loaded, click on one of the Actions buttons next to the insurance type. From the drop-down menu, choose Add Event. As we can see from the event pop-up, there is already a pre-loaded type of eligibility. If we navigate to the Payments section, even though our demo patient hasn't made any payments, if they ever do, we will click on the Actions button located at the bottom right. From the drop-down menu, choose Add Event, as we did before. In this case, the preloaded type will automatically change to Communication. Let's now look at the third Actions button, which is found on the Visits page. Click on the Visits and Receipts tab at the top. Click on the Actions button on the left, next to the date time. As the drop-down menu appears, select Add Event. Once the event form opens, you will see another preloaded type, Schedule. Moving to the next tab, Notes, we can also add events directly from the Actions buttons on the page. Click on the Notes tab at the top. Once the case list loads, choose the case you need. Then click on the Actions button at the bottom right in the note list. Select Add Event from the drop-down menu. Once the patient event form appears on the screen, you will see that the type is preloaded as Note. Moving on to the Documents tab, which is located at the top, click on it. You should be able to see a list of the files that the patient has uploaded. On the right, you have the Actions button. As before, clicking on it will display the drop-down menu, allowing you to select Add Event. This time, just like the previous ones, a new corresponding type should be preloaded. And for Documents, it will be Paperwork. The last Actions button we will look at is not on the Patients page. Instead, you need to go directly to the left side navigation bar, click on Billing, and select Claims from the drop-down. For demonstration purposes, I will pick Ready to Send, but this process will work for all three options, Audited and Submitted as well. Once we are redirected to the Ready to Send page for the claims, a list of claims will appear on screen. We will focus on the Actions button on the right. Click on it to select Add Event from the drop-down menu. Once the pop-up is shown on the screen, you will see that the preloaded type is Billing now, instead of Paperwork or any other previous types we've seen before. That's all for the update to our Actions button, which allows us to add events on different pages and is preloaded with a corresponding type. Thank you all for watching. Don't hesitate to check out our knowledge base or reach out to us if you have any questions.